Imagine waking up one day, not on Earth, but on the red, dusty surface of Mars. Outside your dome, robotic machines work silently, mining ice, printing structures, and maintaining your life support systems, all without a single human hand. This isn't a movie. This is our real future. And behind all of it, there's one silent, all-knowing force: artificial intelligence. NASA, along with private partners like SpaceX and international agencies, is racing to turn humanity into a multi-planetary species. But there's a catch. Mars is not Earth. It's deadly, unpredictable, and brutally cold. Surviving there means solving thousands of problems faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. That's where AI steps in. It's not just supporting this mission, it's leading it. Let's start from the beginning. Why Mars? Out of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is the most Earth-like. Before any human ever sets foot on Mars, AI is already at work through advanced simulations and satellite analysis. But mapping is just a start. The first wave of Mars settlers won't be humans. AI will also play a vital role in energy management. Let's talk about life support, the most crucial system in the colony. But even with breathable air and energy, humans aren't machines. We need healthcare, and that's another area where AI steps up. But physical health isn't the only challenge. Life on Mars will be psychologically intense. AI isn't just working with humans, it's protecting them. And all of this, from the very first soil scan to the birth of the first Mars-born child one day. This raises an interesting point. Is AI only supporting us, or is it becoming our replacement? This sounds like science fiction, but it's not. It's science. So what does this mean for you? It means that within our lifetime, you might see the first city on Mars, because in the end, Earth was never our final destination. It was just the beginning, and AI is the engine driving us forward, one line of code at a time.